Hi there, Ed Mikowski here with the Riveredge Virtual Naturalist Series, and today I'd like to talk with you about these plants right here, which might not look like a whole lot right now, kind of look like some half-dead stalks, and I totally understand that. However, in just a couple short months they will be bustling with fruit. Raspberries are a fantastic plant to start off with if you're a new gardener, because you kind of have to work to get rid of them once you get them started. So, what do you say? Let's learn about raspberries today. So raspberries, as I mentioned, are a super hardy plant. And as you can see here, I've got them sequestered by the edges of my driveway. There's a driveway here and my front porch on the other side here that provides between 6 and 10 feet of distance. These stalks, as you can see, they bend over and they reach, and they will plant themselves wherever they land up. So what you'll want to do is make sure you can put them in an area that you can easily trim back, or they're not going to jump to areas that you don't want to have raspberries. Part of what's great about raspberries is that in addition to being a plant that feeds us as humans, they're also a native prairie plant species. So even though the cultivated varieties are certainly different than the original ones that probably have less of a yield than the ones we might plant, you'll still be feeding your neighborhood. Well, maybe the kids who come by and pluck off of your plants, but also your neighborhood of birds and probably squirrels as well. To start off your raspberry patch, you can either do so from seed and seedlings, or you can ask a friend to donate about a dozen plants to you. People are generally pretty generous when it comes to giving away their raspberry bushes because they know how quickly they proliferate, and they won't have any problems getting more raspberries in the next summertime. Well, I hope that this has convinced you that beginning gardening with raspberries could be to your benefit, and they're a pretty easy plant to keep. Thanks for joining us on the Riveredge Virtual Naturalist Series. Have a great day.